Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series of video about game development, and we already got this multiple pack system working, and as you guys can see, we automatically generate that a lot of coyotes, and yeah. So in order to differentiate different coyote, I think I'm going to change one of the enemy to be a boss inside of this pack, so like the Coyote King, Coyote King, yeah. So I'm going to do what I'm going to do is to adding a layer to this Coyote and just make it a little bit different. So this is absolutely not the final product. This is just a quick way to differentiate coyotes. So what I'm going to do is to make like the badass. Like a badass cover here, right? And maybe like the pirate hat, something like that. So pirate hat. Yeah, let's quickly cover that. And maybe just for the fun of it, I'm going to change the color. Maybe not this color, but say like a reddish color. Yeah, so something like that. Yep. A knot and like that. Okay, and say I got this badass symbol, like a skull here. Maybe just. Or like a big skull. Yeah, just to have something to alright. And let's add a yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe say some. Can I have a wing or machine gun, something like that, just to make it. Just make it a bunch of black wing, something like that. Yeah. Good. Okay, and yeah, let's do something like this. Okay, let's save it, export that to our game. Okay, so I just got this Coyote King here, and as you can see, it's a PNG file, so the background is transparent. And let's make it a new empty game object, and I'm going to say enemy 0, but it's a boss, so I'm going to add a big B here. And yeah, let's add a empty below it. So remember, if we got this enemy 0, I think I can double click it, and coyotes. Okay, maybe I'm going to make it Coyote King as a name, just to make it consistent. Coyote King, and change the Coyote King's render. I think I can just put it here. I think that'll be just a quick way of generating that. So basically, just add a empty game object, rename it, add a spy render to it. Okay, and layer definitely need to be changed. So we got this sorting layer of say. Yeah, just make it 1, it will appear. Okay, and I think I'm going to scale it up a little bit. just to make it 0.5. You don't want it too big because you don't want it to be too different from the rest of the pack, or it will be a little bit weird. Okay, so yep, and I'm pretty satisfied with this enemy. And once you are satisfied with enemy 0, you can just drag it here, just become a prefab. And then I think I got a enemy generator here, and we got a pack 0, and inside the pack 0 you can change it. Say the element say 4 or 5, you can add 2 of the bosses here. So enemy, Coyote, and enemy 0 boss. Oh, sorry. I need to go this way. Sorry. Should get pass, pack, and assets, enemies. Yeah, this is really annoying. Let's do that. Pack. Okay, and yeah, let's do this way so it won't get yeah. Let's add this to 2 packets. Maybe just add just 1 in each of the packs, so I can actually count how many packs that we have. So pack 1 and 2. Let's make this here 3. So it's a game, so we start with we count with 0. In fact, all the program we count from 0. That's a not joke for you. Yeah, and change all that. So you can set it as a 6 or 5. It don't really matter. Just to make it sense, so I can count better. And then I can yeah, sorry, I need to delete this enemy. Sorry. Let's rerun that. Yeah, I delete that because once you make a free prefab, you don't need this the big bad wolf coyote boss at the center of the screen. So we can just safely delete that from our hierarchy, and then using the code to automatically generate that, because we already got this enemy generator. Alright, let's look at here. Yeah, just to wait for the big bad wolf coming out. Coyote, sorry. I think it's coming out. And where is it? Yep, I don't think to see it, but it seems that let me pause it. It seems that it's already here, but we can't see it. So maybe. Okay, I think I got it. That's because it's never moving, right? We already generated that, but it's never moving. Alright, so let's see what's wrong here. Okay, so maybe it's a position problem. Let's see whether it's the position problem. So if you double click, and you can see the position of this prefab is not okay, because the position have a certain number to it. So what I'm going to do is to reset this position. So just go back to 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's not only reset the position, but also reset all this attached to it. So yeah, let's alright, let's just manually reset the position. Okay, and let's see where our it's just prefab. Okay, and so this one, Coyote, we got yeah, the position is reset. This one, position reset as well. So yeah, and let's go back here. and check this out. So I'm going to zoom it out a little bit to actually see whether it's generated, and of course you can look at the left side, the hierarchy, to see whether it's generated, 1, 2, 3, something like that. And I'm waiting for the 4 and 5s. Yeah, this one. So it's generated, but it's not moving. Maybe it's the naming convention. Yeah, let's okay, I can't move here, so sorry. Okay, we still generate, but it's not moving. Okay, let's get this guy moving.
So we might
since I found the reason why, because we already attached the enemy pass script to it, but to never attach this enemy script to enemy DB. That's the reason why. So enemy pass script, I need to attach that to the to this prefab as well. So what I'm going to do is to go back. I think go back to
we need to make sure we've got some way of setting its condition to false to allow us to
enemy pass.
So with knowledge
I need
of
to
these
attach
new
it to
kinds
here.
of loop, let's jump into our enemy spawner and see if we can't infinitely loop through our list of wave configs. Now when it comes to deciding where to place our loop within our enemy spawner, we have a couple of options. But I'm going to go with the simplest one and head down to our spawn enemy waves coroutine. Because in here we can get away with pretty much just wrapping all of our code inside of our loop.
Here.
But the question still remains, do we want a while loop here or a do-while loop?
Just wait and see.
I think we want a do-while loop here, because regardless of whether we want to loop through our list multiple times, we do want to go through it at least
our first
once.
enemy was generated, but my computer is really slow, so we got to wait for a few seconds.
I think this is going to be your challenge.
And
I want
let's
you
wait
to
and
go ahead
see
and create a
whether
new
we can
serialized
get
bool
okay, so we got
variable
this
at the top
enemy
of our script.
generated. Fourth one, moment of truth.
Control the condition.
Yeah, the fifth one.
Then I want you to
our
create
boss
a
coming out.
loop inside
Okay,
of our
this is a really badass looking boss.
Coroutine that will run all of our code once and then repeatedly loop through our wave config list. And to give you a hint for the syntax of this, we want to say do all of our code
and then boss
while
is retreating.
the condition is true.
Good.
And do notice
and
the
since we got this boss, we can
of that while condition. So pause the video now and give that
the
a go.
second wave working, because we got second enemy 0B, which means boss coming
welcome
out.
back. So at the top of our script, we're going to do a new serialized build.
Just wait for the third boss coming out,
and we said we were going to call this is looping.
just to make sure that everything's working properly. So the third boss coming out, that looks pretty good.
We want to say do
okay, so
all of our code
so we actually got all this working, but still we are left with one problem. Which will be
so if we now save our script,
which will be when
if we look at our
even though you got, let's say,
say
100,000 of packs ready,
to speed up testing,
and
let's set our time between
when
waves down to 0.
the code runs
and
to the end of the pack, we'll just completely stop this project. I don't want to do that. I don't want to
through the two waves in our enemy
it's like a survival
so
game. Okay, so just survival with this sort of a wave, and
no third wave
you win. I don't want to play that kind of game. I like to set a player a little bit challenge. So
this time we should loop through
you want to
two
reach
waves,
say a certain score,
will continue to repeat.
and
so there's our first
you put that score in the billboard, and in order to survive, you have to got a health system.
And now we
have
our fourth wave.
So and of course,
so our looping
like
structure
the llama to actually spit on the enemy.
And if we want to break out of this
so
loop,
that will be a
we just need to set
core element of this game. So what I'm going to do is to add that. So first
so if
is
we
the
uncheck is looping here,
add
we'll finish the
infinite
final
round
loop
of
through all our
enemy,
wave config,
and
then
then
normal waves
I'm
get
going to
generated.
give the player a limited amount of
infinite waves using a do-while loop.
But
and with
also
our wave
give the
system
player
pretty much complete now,
ability
let's
to
have a look
attack
at
enemies.
adding some player health.
I think that's what we're going to do.
We'll start looking at that in the next
video.
lecture.
And
So I'll see you
don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.